Listen in to this exclusive conversation my colleague had with P. Wilson of the DMK.
Welcome back here with us on Times Now, and joining us on the broadcast is DMK MP P. Wilson. Thank you very much, Mr. Wilson, for joining us here on Times Now. Your reaction firstly to two big developments today. One, Dharmendra Pradhan has resigned. CJP, after meeting with government representatives, has ended the agitation.
Yeah, first of all, I have to appreciate the youngsters who stood with the students, and also the students who have come on streets for the cause, of exposing how, altered system is this NEET. In fact, DMK party, right from the beginning, 2010, we have been telling that NEET is not a clear system which really gives a meritorious students. And there are a lot of illegalities. In fact, we brought out legislation when our then Chief Minister, Mr. M.K. Stalin, was in power. And that bill, of course, the governor did not give us assent. Then it went to the Prime President, and President also withheld the bill, and against which we had filed a suit and before the Supreme Court, and that is pending. So that is how we have been totally against this NEET. So
right.
Therefore, when this NEET doesn't produce us a real meritorious students, and when the government is not in a position to address all the illegalities that is happening year by year, certainly the students have rightly taken up this issue and come to the streets. And it has gone to an extent that, the fault lies on the Honorable Minister. And today the Minister has stepped out of his position, and really we welcome this issue, and we really appreciate the students who have fought to see that the illegalities are being corrected by the government. So we should appreciate both the students. Simultaneously, now the government has felt that the students are right, and that is why it has asked the Minister to step down. Even that is a correct move. That's what I would say.
But Mr. Wilson, Leader of Opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, is now asking for Prime Minister's apology. Isn't he shifting the goalpost? He says now two demands are still pending.
Look, so far as the Congress is concerned, I don't want to comment about their views and their decisions. But I would say that this is not an absolute remedy so far as the NEET is concerned, because we have been asking for a complete abolition of NEET. I myself have introduced a private member bill. In fact, yesterday I couldn't move that bill. I'm asking to abolish the NEET itself. So we are against this NEET. The system of this NEET completely has to be removed and thrown off. It has to be abolished. And so far as